Design enthusiasts, join us as we explore 12 exceptional living room interiors that radiate sophistication and opulence in the heart of the American luxury landscape. In these high-end, modern living spaces, dark marble takes center stage, infusing an air of grandeur and extravagance. You'll find this exquisite material adorning coffee tables and featured walls, each piece a testament to its unique texture and elegance. The design palette embraces a refined, dark color scheme, creating a captivating contrast that adds depth and drama to these interiors. Modern furnishings are carefully chosen to complement the luxurious surroundings, offering both comfort and style. From sleek seating to elegant decor accents, every piece contributes to the exclusive and lavish atmosphere of these living rooms. If you're as captivated as we are by these living room interiors, we invite you to show your appreciation by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. Your support fuels our passion for bringing you more incredible design inspiration.